What's up, guys? It's that time again. Today's Monday. And I'm about to do a 5:30 test of the smoke detector. And look at the time. It's 5:30. Time to test the alarm. Going downstairs. Hi.
Just fucking Christ, Christian.
You gotta stop going down the stairs so quick.
Were you doing the alarms upstairs?
Yeah.
Good.
Next time,
That's the
Please.
same shirt Ben was
Hey.
wearing.
next time, please don't run down the stairs and swing the door open like that.
Okay.
Because you could have hit a cat, you could have hit a person,
Oh.
you could have really hurt.
Oh.
So how about we don't run down the stairs like that anymore?
All right.
Okay? Thank you. Corey, you got a chip on a birthday.
And that was the smoke detector test.
Come pick 'em up.
Subscribe, like, and comment.